New details tonight from the ABC 15 investigators as the Arizona Attorney General gets involved in a lawsuit that accuses a Scottsdale care facility of negligence.
This comes after ABC 15's extensive reporting about a grandfather who wandered away last summer and died in the desert. ABC 15 investigator Ann Ryman has the latest developments.
And he was known by all of his friends as Bob.
This security camera video shows Bob Pollmann walking out of his Scottsdale care facility last June. You see another resident follow the 85-year-old out. She later returns, but Bob does not. It's the last time he was seen alive. His daughter spoke with us last summer.
I'm just yelling for him, and I'm like, what on earth is this? I'm yelling for my dad in the middle of the desert? Is this even happening?
Police say a neighbor found Bob's body 2 days later in the desert.
A special report looking into how and why some of Arizona's most vulnerable seniors are walking away from care facilities unsupervised.
Through months of reporting, the ABC 15 investigators found at least a dozen deaths after vulnerable seniors wandered away from their care facilities in the Arizona heat, and no staff noticed. Bob was one of those seniors.
He died. And it's a death that never should have happened.
Attorney Bob Boatman represents the family.
The primary concern of the Pollmann family is raising more awareness of this problem and this danger.
They filed a lawsuit in January against the care facility where Bob lived, Brookhaven on 131st Place.
We'll be looking at that one as well. So.
Arizona Attorney General Chris Mays telling ABC 15 last year our reporting prompted her to look into Bob's death. Her office also investigating 5 other cases where seniors wandered away unsupervised.
But it's a really terrible situation.
It's something the long-term care industry refers to as elopements.
Deadly things can happen. It is too hot in the summertime to allow any elopements from any facility.
ABC 15 now confirming the AG has filed a motion to intervene in the lawsuit filed by Bob's family.
We have to be a zero tolerance state for elopements because increasingly we're dealing with 115 degree temperatures for 6 months straight almost.
Here's why it's significant. If the judge grants the AG's request, the state becomes a party to the lawsuit. State prosecutors could present evidence, cross-examine witnesses, and make legal arguments in court. The AG alleges Brookhaven failed to substantially comply with state regulations, and that the care facility violated the state's Consumer Fraud Act by, quote, representing to families that it was equipped and capable of providing care to residents at risk of elopement.
Family members can let us know if this has happened to them, if they see a problem at the facility that they're in.
Brookhaven responded in a statement to ABC 15 that says, in part, quote, our entire team's heartfelt sympathy has always been with the family of Mr. Pollmann. The health and safety of our residents is our #1 priority. The statement goes on to say, we understand that this notice to intervene is customary in claims involving vulnerable adults. Our legal defense team will address that and the complaint allegations in formal court proceedings at a later date.
A judge has not yet ruled on whether the AG will become a party to the lawsuit. We'll continue to follow this and let you know what happens. I'm investigator Ann Ryman, ABC 15, Arizona.